Avalanche value equivalent to 1,010.45 rands a coin. The present cost range 1,173 1,035.99. The earlier day close 1,033.97. The change was 23.52, 2.27%. Opposite rate ZAR to Avax. Avalanche cost expectation for July 2024. First and foremost, cost at 1,312 rands. Excessive cost 1,629, while low cost 1,312. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1,444. Avalanche cost figure toward the month's end 1,5022. Change for July 16%. Avalanche figure for August 2024. Before all else cost at 1,522 rands. Excessive cost 1,890, while low cost 1,5022. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1,675. Avalanche cost figure toward the month's end 1,766. Change for August 16%. Avalanche cost expectation for September 2024. Before all else cost at 1,766 rands. Excessive cost 2,192, while low cost 1,766. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 1943. Avalanche cost conjecture toward the month's end 2049, change for September 16%. Avalanche conjecture for October 2024. At the outset cost at 2049 rands. Excessive cost 2049, while low cost 1,768. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 1942. Avalanche cost conjecture toward the month's end 19.1, change for October 7.2%. Avalanche cost expectation for November 2024. At the outset cost at 19.1 rands. Excessive cost 2D66, while low cost 1T796. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 1924. Avalanche cost figure toward the month's end 1931, change for November 1.6%. Avalanche figure for December 2024. Initially cost at 1931 rands. Excessive cost 1931, while low cost 1,679. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 1T1837. Avalanche cost figure toward the month's end 1T805, change for December 6.5%. Avalanche cost expectation for January 2025. Initially cost at 1T805 rands. Exorbitant cost 1T805, while low cost 1T474. They found the middle value of cost 1,667. Avalanche cost estimate toward the month's end 1T585, change for January 12.2%. Avalanche estimate for February 2025. To start with cost at 1T585 rands. Exorbitant cost 1T585, while low cost 1T312. They found the middle value of cost 1T473. Avalanche cost estimate toward the month's end 1T411, change for February 11%. Avalanche cost expectation for Walk 2025. To start with cost at 1T411 rands. Exorbitant cost 1T498, while low cost 1T302. They found the middle value of cost 1T403. Avalanche cost gauge toward the month's end 1T400, change for spring's 8%. Avalanche gauge for April 2025. In the first place cost at 1T400 rands. Exorbitant cost 1T509, while low cost 1T311. They found the middle value of cost 1T408. Avalanche cost gauge toward the month's end 1T410, change for April's 7%. Avalanche cost expectation for May 2025. Initially cost at 1T410 rands. Excessive cost 1T410, while low cost 1T198. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 1T327. Avalanche cost figure toward the month's end 1T288, change for May 7%. Avalanche figure for June 2025. Initially cost at 1T288 rands. Excessive cost 1T599, while low cost 1T288. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 1T417. Avalanche cost figure toward the month's end 1T494, change for June 16%. Avalanche cost expectation for July 2025. To start with cost at 1T494 rands. Exorbitant cost 1T6024, while low cost 1T412. They found the middle value of cost 1T512. Avalanche cost estimate toward the month's end 1T518, change for July 16%. Avalanche estimate for August 2025. To start with cost at 1T518 rands. Exorbitant cost 1T650, while low cost 1T434. The found the middle value of cost 1,536. Avalanche cost estimate toward the month's end 1,542, change for August 16%. Avalanche cost expectation for September 2025. In the first place, cost at 1,542 rands. Exorbitant cost 1,868, while low cost 1,542. The found the middle value of cost 1,675. Avalanche cost gauge toward the month's end 1,746, change for September 13.2%. Avalanche gauge for October 2025. In the first place, cost at 1,746 rands. Exorbitant cost 1,783, while low cost 1,549. The found the middle value of cost 1,686. Avalanche cost conjecture toward the month's end 1,666, change for October 4.6%. Avalanche cost expectation for November 2025. In the first place, cost at 1,666 rands. Exorbitant cost 1,812, while low cost 1,574. The found the middle value of cost 1,686. Avalanche cost gauge toward the month's end 1,693, change for November 1.6%. Avalanche conjecture for December 2025. At the outset, cost at 1,693 rands. Excessive cost 2,101, while low cost 1,693. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1,863. Avalanche cost conjecture toward the month's end 1964, change for December 16%. Avalanche cost expectation for January 2026. At the outset, cost at 1964 rands. Excessive cost 2835, while low cost 2855. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1987. Avalanche cost estimate toward the month's end 1995, change for January 1.6%. Avalanche gauge for February 2026. In the first place, cost at 1995 rands. Exorbitant cost 2,169, while low cost 1,885. The found the middle value of cost 2019. Avalanche cost gauge toward the month's end 2027, change for February 1.6%. Avalanche cost expectation for walk 2026. In the first place, cost at 2027 rands. Exorbitant cost 2203, while low cost 1915. The found the middle value of cost 2,51. Avalanche cost estimate toward the month's end 2,59, change for spring 1.6%. Avalanche estimate for April 2026. First and foremost, cost at 2059 rands. Exorbitant cost 2288, while low cost 1988. The found the middle value of cost 2018. Avalanche cost estimate toward the month's end 2138, change for April 3.8%. Avalanche cost expectation for May 2026. Initially cost at 2,138 rands. Excessive cost 2,654, while low cost 2,100.